Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to know if someone have access to your Gmail account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following it to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on my Gmail account right here. Having opened up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon from the top. So click on that. It'll take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to swipe this way and then make sure you go to security. Then from security right here, you will be taken right here. Your account is protected. So you need to, first thing for, you need to have this sign. So once your account is protected, you can simply scroll down and review the rest of the information about your account. So scroll down all the way down and click on manage all devices. Then you'll be taken right here. At this point here, if you take note of any unauthorized device login right here, what you need to do is to simply click on the device. Let's, for instance, this device here was not recognized. What I need to do is to simply click on the device and it's going to take you right here and you will see all detail about the particular device. So if you take note, if you are not recognized the particular device, what you need to do is to simply click on sign out. Sign out on window. This will remove access to your Google account from the device. What you need to do is to simply click on sign out. And with that, you have removed the access that the person have into your Gmail account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to know if someone have access to your Gmail account and how you can remove them. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.